Sorry.
That's really good.
Before joining Colt, I expect that I will get a proper work-life balance, I will get a positive culture, I got ample opportunities to learn from different platforms. After joining Colt, I got all these things.
So I was just keen to work in a strong team environment, an environment where all of my personality would be harnessed in my role and where I would be able to work across multiple disciplines with different technologies and grow as an engineer and as also just in my career in general.
So, talking about the technologies, my seniors and my manager make it very clear from the beginning that on what technologies I'm going to work on, what are their expectations. So working on different technologies, working with different professionals from different domains is the best thing here in Colt.
I've been able to harness all of Colt's large network and infrastructure. I'm able to use tools that map out our fiber capabilities across the world. And with developments recently in Colt, that network's growing larger every day. And being able to harness that and work with that has been interesting.
So my exposure with my seniors and the guidance which I get from my manager and the buddy always help me to plan my day better.
Usually you get assigned to an opportunity with another SE, another sales engineer, and you work together. Sometimes you have to pull in other people with different skills within the team. And then, we come together as a team, discuss, and then build out those solutions. And there is some elements of going off-site to client meetings, for instance. I was at a quarterly business review at a client's location recently, so that kind of thing does come up occasionally.